When we talk about quality, we want to make sure that the right result is delivered to the right patient at the right time. The laboratory results needs to be trusted. We want to ensure that the communities are receiving the quality services that they deserve. For the last 10 years, ASLM has made some significant progress in terms of implementing quality management systems in the continent. However, there are some remaining gaps. We have seen a number of laboratories in the different tiers that have received support and have been accredited, but we are not yet seeing this effort across the entire network. We want to make sure that quality is available around and is available across all the tiers. Africa needs a systems approach so that we are addressing all the facilities, right from the top tiers even to the lowest tier. We want to see countries implementing quality management systems that are backed by policy and also a quality infrastructure. We do not want to have the implementation of quality management systems being driven by partners, being driven by donors, because when that kind of support is no longer there, you will have a situation where the services or the quality programs begin to stagnate and sometimes even stop. So ASLM and Africa CDC launched what we call the National Laboratory Quality Framework to address this challenge of the scale-up and the ownership of the quality management systems implementation. It provides countries the step-by-step process of developing their policy, their quality policy. If they already have that quality policy, it also helps them to revise and review them to make sure that they are up to date. We want the governments and the ministries of health actually to take the center stage and drive this and own this. We want to ensure that there's sustainability. We want quality to be part of every program.